my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Hi guys, my name is Diva Decorating, and if you like glam DIYs on a budget, room tours, shopping hauls, tablescapes, and much more, you're in the right place. This channel is to inspire you and give you ideas to create beautiful home decor, but doing it on a budget without breaking the bank. So if that's something that you like, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Now guys, today is Tablescape Sunday, and it's being presented by Diva's Dynasty, which consists of 5 wonderful ladies. Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, which she'll be our host this Sunday, and the co-host, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia from Cynthia She's So Blessed, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And guys, what we do, we come together bi-weekly of every month creating different themed tablescapes to inspire and to help grow your channel and ours as well. And we love what we do. Now, I would encourage you to go over to the other ladies' channels. They all basically do the same things, but some do a little cooking, some do a little gardening. So yeah, glam DIYs. Go over and please check these ladies out and help support their channels. Now, what Miss Lynn wanted us to do for this tablescape is she wanted us to create a lemon theme, and the title is Pucker Up Tablescape. Yes, and some of the rules were, of course, you have to be subscribed to all the host channels, mention them in your video, and she wanted, of course, for us to decorate our table using the lemon theme, like plates, bowls, faux fruit, napkins, and etc. Title your video Pucker Up Tablescape, and use the hashtag Pucker Up Tablescape Lemon 2020. Okay, now the upload date is June 28th, anytime after midnight, and she just wanted us to have some lemony fun. So guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to be eating lemons on camera today, if you've seen in my last video, but I'm not going to say I'm not going to eat them after the video, okay? So guys, let me take you around and show you what I did for my Pucker Up Tablescape. Okay guys, so I have a place setting of 4. All of them are the same, and I'm going to start with the table runner, which is a yellow scarf that I'm using today. And on top of it, I just have this gold placemat, which is from Walmart. I already had that. And for my place setting, I did something a little different. I'm going to break it down and show you what I did. Okay, I started off with just a plain white plate from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to elevate my plate, which is not a regular plate, it is a paper plate. And the reason that I'm using paper plates is because, guys, I didn't get on when Dollar Tree had them out. I missed out on that, and then at the last minute, I was running around trying to find some lemon porcelain plates, but I could not find any. So I ended up going to a place called Party City, which sells all kinds of party items and paper products. So that's how I got these paper plates. And I did a little trick here to make them more look like real plates than paper plates. I did a Mod Podge gloss on them so it would bring them out a little bit. I don't know if you could see that shine. It would take that dullness away from being a paper plate, and I thought that was a real good idea. And like I said, I put it on top of this plate to elevate it to make it look more like a real plate. And then guys, I took a saucer, which is from the Dollar Tree with the gold rim, or you can call it a salad plate or dessert plate. And I also wanted to elevate the other little saucer paper plate that I had, and I did the same thing. I put a gloss on it, and it's in a lime color. And then I took my lemon leaf and just set it right there. And then I took my lemon, these are real, and I set it on top of the plate. And that's how the place setting came about. Now for my flatware, I'm using my gold flatware from Walmart and just sitting on top of a paper yellow napkin. And for my drink, I have some freshly made lemonade with lemon in it, and they are in my mason jars. And I have these white and yellow straws. They're also from that Party City store. Sorry about that, guys. I get so tied up sometimes, so forgive me. I got it out though, okay? So yeah, that's where that came from. And I have my candle here. It is a lemon zest and I believe sage basil. Lemon zest and basil candle. And I just have that for the aroma of the lemon, which just adds to the ambiance. And over here, same place setting, but this is a different mason jar. This is a cactus mason jar. My daughter purchased this for me a couple years ago, and this is my first time actually using it. And I thought that fit the theme so well, so I have two of those, and I have two of the regular mason jars from the Dollar Tree. And two of the straws have one pattern with the dots, and the other two has it with the, I believe, the other dots. Yeah. Now for my centerpiece, on top of the table runner, I'm using a sage cloth placemat, and I believe I got those at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. And that's sitting on top of those yellow scarves. And I thought that would just bring out the yellow in the tablescape. And in the middle for my centerpiece right there, I'm using this green vase that I've had for years. I decided to pull that out to go with this thing. And I have my yellow flow flowers from the Dollar Tree. And guys, I just stuck some faux lemons on a skewer in there. I thought that was a cute idea. So that's how that looks. This tablescape came out real pretty. I love that we did the lemon theme. I hadn't done it this year. So I really love the way this table came out. Guys, please go over and make sure you watch all the other participants on the playlist and show them some love. Thank Miss Lynn for hosting this tablescape. And thank all the co-hosts. And guys, have a happy Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.